Kalau first date pun dah berkira, macam mana nak susah senang bila dah berbelas tahun kahwin nanti. I think this goes out more to the guy lah, I feel.
Yalah,
'cause
faham.
Guy need to have that provider mindset kan.
Tapi dalam kategori test ni I memang tak suka lah. Ni macam cerita-cerita Melayu, test ni I don't like.
Tapi banyak je laki-laki yang buat macam tu sekarang tau.
Which is I don't like lah.
I don't understand why. I tak tahu kenapa, because I think there's a lot of ways for you to actually judge a person.
judge,
Bukan macam in the first date, kalau kalau you tak vibe, you don't have the same energy, then just call it off. Tak payah keluar lagi. It's okay.
Kalau dah ada red flag tu first date you dah boleh nampak dah sebenarnya.
First date dah
For
nampak
example,
dah.
how rude she is to the waiter, or how kind she is to another person yang sit next to her. For example, dekat restaurant ke apa benda, if she is snobbish, for example. Kalau dia tak snobbish, then she's okay. Just cool. Nonchalant ke apa benda ke, relax je
Yalah,
benda-benda ni. Tak payahlah kau nak drive wira ke, pinjam kereta kawan kau ke. I mean, but
It's a bad way to test perempuan lah
Very
sebenarnya.
very bad lah.